So I've just found out when removing this grab rail, the best thing is to remove it attached to this fairing, because when you roll the bike over a bump, there's nothing actually holding it on, and stupidly that's exactly what I did, and it bounced off and disconnected all the wires before I marked them. So, you know, that's going to cause problems if I use this harness again. Not problems, just more work trying to figure out what wire went where. But moving on, we're going to try to take the harness off today, so keep watching. Okay, so back end's loose. CDI unit needs to be disconnected next. I don't know what this is though. Good audio data kind of thing. Anyway, we'll try and get this off. Can't do it with one hand, so bear with me. Okay, so it's idiot proof, so it can only go in one way. Put this down here. Actually, put it on something soft. Not a wet table. Okay, so CDI unit, earthing strap, which is earth strap to take off. I need to mark that probably. Okay, there's the earth. I'm just going to put a symbol so I know what it is. Okay, battery earth cable is next. And a spanner, socket even. Oh, okay, let me put you down for a minute. Okay. That goes to the start of that thing. Okay, we'll mark it anyway. So, battery earth cable is removed. Take the transformer rectifier off next. I'll put you down here somewhere. Maybe forever. Okay. I'm gonna have a coffee, so I will do that. In fact, before I have a coffee, I'm gonna take this cable off. It's literally the last one, which is your speedometer. A nice cup of tea, as we say. So I'm getting to a stage where I need a garage and I need a platform. I need a lift to support the engine. So I might just tackle the exhaust today and not make a total mess of this garden. And yeah, so that's the next job, is the exhaust. Okay, so I was just looking at this radiator, and I was looking at the exhaust. But so from the cap, well, that's dirty, brown. This pipe runs all the way back here, and goes into the bottom of there, which is the water bottle, which in turn would fill up, and that just goes to atmosphere. Drains out of there. So I don't see why you can't use another type of bottle. It doesn't need to have a pressurised cap. This is yeah, I don't know, I'll have to read it, how the system works. Don't know what to do. The messy job over the exhaust. we'll go for the exhaust. There might not be much to say. It's just 2 bolts. It'll probably be all. The H box is quite corroded. We'll see. So there we are, 1 day done. There she is. Got the exhaust off. It's a lot easier if you take the brake lever off. The whole thing just drops. Wasn't too bad. Air filter's out. Cables are off. It's pretty much just frame and engine now. So next job's wheel, swing arm, radiator, carbs, and then we're looking at the engine. Stay tuned.